welcome back to the channel, and welcome to Winning Wednesdays, guys, where we are going to be using mini savings challenges to rebuild my low priority sinking funds. Happy Wednesday, guys. I hope all is well. I hope all of you are having a great week. My week is going pretty good. I am off today, so I am filming this video so I can get it out to you guys as soon as possible. But guys, we are going to first go ahead and count this money. Now, I typically stuff $24, but today I have $30, which I'm excited about. But let's make sure we have 30. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. We have $30. I'm going to take this little 2 right here and put it in the mix, and one of these lucky savings challenges is going to get that spicy 2 today, guys. But before we get into distributing the money, I want to go ahead and announce who the creators of these cute little challenges are. Now, this one I think was created by Creative Ink Scribbles. I'm not sure, but that is a cute little owl and coffee savings challenge. It says coffee, happiness in a cup. I totally agree with that. And I have my coffee sitting off to the side here with me. Then we have this cute little savings challenge, which was created by... I have a problem putting the creators out here, y'all. But that's a cute little summer challenge. Now, this challenge, the creator put her name on here. I love when creators do that, so I don't have to go looking it up. But it says Awesome Budgets. That's who this challenge is created by. And it says Exhausted from Being Awesome. And this challenge is for my general funds. This challenge is for me, myself, and I, which I'm going to change that sinking fund name to my name, which is Raquel. And then this challenge is for the self-care sinking fund. And then next, guys, we have a challenge by Teacher Mom Budgets. It's a cute little fall challenge. I'm bringing in fall a little early, y'all. And this is for my pantry stock up. And then this last challenge is for my investing sinking fund, and it is from Nessa Budgets. Now, guys, today we are going to be working with a D4 die, and we are going to be only using one marker today. So I am not fiddling with all the markers I have, but let's go ahead and get going. And just as an FYI, we stopped at this one, or the general fund sinking fund, last week. So we're starting here at pantry stock up, and it gets $3. But guys, I am going to be adding a couple of new categories to my low priority sinking funds starting next month, which I'm excited about. Now, I am not a fan of a lot of sinking funds, but if you need them, you need them. And I am going to need these sinking funds just as an FYI. And hopefully I can stay on course with whichever one of these gets money, because I'll be messing up. Okay, that one got the spicy 2, y'all. Everybody's getting 2s today, which is cool. I think we'll only be and look, that's 3, and we wrote a 3. I think we're only going to be able to finish one savings challenge today, which is fine. And that is because the rest of these savings challenges here are brand new. So it's going to take me a week or 2 in order to, and I stopped at the last one, so I'm going to pull this marker out in order to get those savings challenges completed. Let's go ahead and get this money together. And let me go ahead and pull out my low priority sinking fund binder. And I already have my paper clips ready to go. So the first savings challenge we have is for self-care. And for this challenge, I only needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I actually received 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put these $2 right here. And we may use those for another challenge. But let's go ahead and mark out these last 5 icons for self-care. And guys, we got a savings challenge done. That is exciting. So let's go ahead and pull this out. We should have $16 for self-care. And let's make sure that we do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Awesome. So we're going to paper clip this, and we will put this in my mini savings challenge pouch momentarily. Let's go ahead and pull out a new challenge that we will start next week for self-care. And this challenge is a cute little challenge by Wholesome Budgets as well. This is a $20 challenge. We will start this one next week. Next, we have Me, Myself, and I. Let's see what we got for this sinking fund. Today, we received $4. And each of these ice creams are worth $1 a piece. So we're going to go ahead and color in, what was it, four of these. And we are off to a good start, for summer is here. Let's go ahead and put that back in there. Next, guys, we have general fund. And for the general fund, for this challenge, I made each of these icons $1 a piece. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 for this one as well. So let's go ahead and color in 4 of these icons. Next, we have Pantry Stock Up. And Pantry Stock Up, ooh, we received a nice little bit of money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each of these are $1 a piece. We're going to color in 7. And guys, I am excited to do my September budget with me video with you guys, because I have some awesome news to share with you guys. So I hope to see you during that video. The next and last savings challenge we have is going to be for investing. And I made each of these circles $1 a piece. Investing received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's color in 8 of these. And let's see something. How many dollars do we have here? We have 2. We're going to go ahead and put that in investing. And we should be able to finish investing next week. So we are done stuffing all of our low priority sinking funds. And guys, next week, again, I will have a couple of new sinking funds to put into the mix. What I want to do really quick is go ahead and put this into my mini savings challenge pouch. Now, guys, we have one more video that we need to do that is part of our mini savings for the month of August. But I want to count real quick and see how many minis we've saved so far. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17 completed so far, but remember, these are not only for my low priority sinking funds, but for my high priority sinking funds as well. And we will be doing one more high priority sinking fund stuffing this Friday during my, on Fridays, we build bridges. But guys, that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment below. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button before you leave, because we will all love to have you here. Guys, until next time, be blessed, stay well, and do great things. Bye, guys.